In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Close.com for small business. Close CRM is a great option for startups and small businesses because it brings lead management, communication, and sales tracking into one place. You can manage emails, calls, SMS, tasks, automations, and reporting without jumping between multiple tools. To get started, log into your Close account, and the first thing we'll do is create a sales pipeline. Once you're inside the platform, head over to Settings. In Settings, click on Statuses and Pipelines, then choose New Pipeline. Name it Sales Pipeline. A sales pipeline is simply the set of stages a lead moves through from first contact all the way to a final outcome. It helps you organize your sales process clearly, see where every opportunity stands, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. After naming it, click Save. Now begin adding your stages. Start with Qualified. This stage is for leads that have been reviewed and confirmed as a good fit for your business. Next, add Discovery. This is where you learn more about the lead's needs, goals, and challenges, so you can understand whether your solution matches what they're looking for. After that, add Demo. This stage is useful when you're actively presenting your product or service, showing how it works, and explaining its value. Then add Negotiation. This stage is for conversations about pricing, terms, or final details before a decision is made. Next, add Closed Won and set it to 1. This tells Close that the opportunity has successfully turned into a customer. Then, add Closed Lost and set it to Lost. This is used for opportunities that did not move forward, which is still important for reporting and future review. Once your pipeline is ready, go to Leads so you can import your customers. Click the plus icon, then select Import Leads and Data. Close accepts Excel and CSV files, so make sure your list is in one of those formats. Click Upload File and select your file. After uploading, map your columns. Column mapping means matching the data from your spreadsheet, such as company name, contact name, or status, to the correct fields in Close so your records are imported properly. When that's done, click Continue, then click Start importing. After the import finishes, click Leads again so you can create a Smart View. Smart Views are saved filters that automatically update as your data changes, making it easier to stay organized and quickly find the leads you need. Click Add Filter, then type and select Custom Field Status. This lets you filter leads based on a specific field in your data. Choose a value, then select New. This creates a view showing only new leads, which is especially helpful for follow-up and prioritizing outreach. Click Done, then click Save As. Name it New Leads and click Save. Finally, go to Smart Views. These views help you stay organized, focus on priority work, quickly access records, and keep your team aligned using the same filtered criteria. For a small business, this can save a lot of time and help ensure no lead is overlooked. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.